बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Kind Tree. Complete moral story in English. A small boy loved playing under a tree. As he grew, he needed many things. He cut the branches to make a house, took the trunk to build a boat, and finally, only the stump was left. Years later, when he was an old man, he came back tired. The tree whispered, "I have nothing left except the stump." The man smiled and said, "That's enough. I just need a place to rest." Moral: true love always sacrifices without expecting anything in return. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.